We at Luxo-Life are pleased to bring you all kinds of tips in the financial world. We are excited about what we show, but we aren't experts, so remember to protect yourself. Do you own homework? Talk to a professional wealth advisor or financial advisor before risking any money you can't afford to lose.
Would you like to experience the thrill and satisfaction of achieving financial success in the digital currency world? Would you like to see your financial situation transformed through the potential of digital assets? Imagine having the opportunity to join the ranks of crypto millionaires. Is it something that excites you, making you eager to explore the possibilities of accumulating significant wealth through cryptocurrencies? If you answered yes to the following questions, then this video is for you. Take a moment to sit back, relax, and dive deep into the captivating world of cryptocurrencies. Join us on this educational journey where you'll gain valuable insights and a comprehensive understanding of the cryptocurrencies. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn and embark on a path towards financial empowerment. But before we start, we want to say thanks for choosing this video and spending your time with us. Here at Luxo-Life, our goal is to give you helpful information that can make a difference in your life. If you find this video useful, please support us by liking and subscribing our channel for more great content. Now let's talk about how to become a crypto millionaire. In this video, we'll explain what cryptocurrencies are and what it feels like to be a crypto millionaire. Get ready to learn about the exciting opportunities of having a financially successful life with crypto. Let's start by understanding what cryptocurrency is all about. Imagine it as a special kind of digital money, but with a cool twist. Instead of physical coins or paper bills, it exists purely in the digital world. How does it stay secure, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to some smart encryption techniques. These techniques help keep your transactions safe and also make sure the whole system works smoothly. To get started with cryptocurrencies, you'll need a digital wallet to store and manage your virtual funds. It's neat how technology keeps coming up with these exciting ideas, right? Now let's dive into the captivating realm of Render Token, a cryptocurrency that brings something truly unique to the table. RNDR is like a digital token specially crafted for the world of 3D graphics and rendering. It's a game changer for artists, designers, and anyone involved in creating breathtaking visual experiences. Just like other cryptocurrencies, RNDR operates on the principles of encryption and decentralized technology, ensuring top-notch security and crystal-clear transparency. With RNDR, artists can collaborate, showcase their talents, and even earn money from their creations in a whole new way. It's truly remarkable to witness how cryptocurrencies like RNDR are revolutionizing various industries, empowering individuals, and unlocking a universe of thrilling possibilities for creative expression. On another note, let's delve into the fascinating blend of modern creative expression and advanced technology known as artificial intelligence. In today's fast-paced world, AI has become a game changer, revolutionizing the way we approach various creative endeavors. From music composition to painting, AI algorithms are used to push the boundaries of what's possible. These intelligent systems analyze vast amounts of data, learn patterns, and generate remarkable outputs that amaze both creators and audiences. By combining human imagination with AI's computational power, new artistic frontiers are explored, revealing possibilities that were once unimaginable. It's actually fascinating how RNDR and AI are connected. As what I've said earlier, RNDR is this cool cryptocurrency that's all about revolutionizing computer graphics rendering, and AI plays a crucial role to make it happen. Let me break it down for you. Picture this. RNDR combines the power of blockchain technology with AI's brainy capabilities to take rendering to a whole new level. It's like having a genius assistant right beside you, helping you create mind-blowing visuals effortlessly. You see, AI algorithms are like these smart little helpers that analyze complex scenes and make intelligent decisions. They can recognize patterns, predict how elements should be rendered, and even suggest enhancements. It's like having your very own rendering partner who knows exactly what it takes to make your graphics look stunning. The magic happens when R&DR and AI work together. By tapping into the computational prowess of AI, R&DR can supercharge the rendering process. It's all about making things faster, more efficient, and ultimately elevating the quality of the final output. Imagine being able to render intricate scenes in a fraction of the time it used to take. Thanks to R&DR and AI, artists and creators can focus more on their creativity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible without getting bogged down by technical complexities. In addition, when we look at the technical analysis of Render Token, it seems like there's a good chance its price will go up in the future. GPU rendering is super important in AI development because it helps process fancy graphics and visual stuff really fast. It's like a big deal in industries like gaming, animation, virtual reality, and making cool buildings on the computer. So what Render Token does is, it uses blockchain technology to distribute GPU rendering power. This means that more people can get access to this powerful rendering stuff, which used to be only for the big companies. You won't believe how much the demand for GPU rendering is growing in the AI world. As AI keeps getting better, we need rendering that's super fast and looks amazing in real time. That's where Render Token comes in. They've integrated with powerful tools like Octane Reader, so it's easier for artists and creators to use. And get this, they might even team up with big names like Elon Musk. That kind of collaboration can really boost Render Token's popularity and value. So all signs point to Render Token having a bright future. It could change the game by offering a decentralized platform for GPU rendering that anyone can use. As more industries hop on the AI train and need top-notch rendering, Render Token could become a major player, helping artists and creators all over the world. Alright, let's dive into the fascinating concept of the fourth industrial revolution. You see, back in 2016, the clever folks at the World Economic Forum made a prediction of how AI would revolutionize different industries. It's like a big wave of change that's sweeping across the world. And guess what? Investing in Render Token fits perfectly into this exciting vision. But what does that mean? Well, let me break it down for you in plain and simple words. Render Token is all about using AI in a special way called GPU rendering. Render Token is all about using AI in a special way called GPU rendering. Just imagine watching a movie with jaw-dropping visuals or experiencing virtual reality that feels incredibly real. Render Token makes all of that possible. Thus, by investing in Render Token, you're not just jumping on a bandwagon, you're diving headfirst into the fourth industrial revolution. It's like embracing the cutting-edge technologies that are shaping our future. And here's the exciting part. Render Token has the potential to grow like crazy in the market. As more and more people start using AI-powered GPU rendering, the value of Render Token goes up. So here's the deal. Investing in Render Token opens up a whole new world of possibilities and exciting adventures for you. It's like being invited to join a party where innovation and endless opportunities are the main attractions, all thanks to this cryptocurrency that's leading the way in AI-driven GPU rendering. When you invest in Render Token, you're not just putting your money in any ordinary digital currency. Oh no, Luxo lover! You're diving headfirst into a thrilling journey where cutting-edge technology and creative minds collide. It's like being part of a wild ride where imagination meets groundbreaking tech, and the results are mind-blowing graphics and mind-boggling experiences. Picture this, you're part of a revolution that's turning the world of movies, games, and virtual reality upside down. Render Token is the driving force behind AI-powered GPU rendering, and by investing in it, you're becoming a stakeholder in the future of visual effects and immersive digital worlds. Well, there you have it, Luxo lovers. If you're excited about joining the world of cryptocurrency and aiming to become a crypto millionaire, look no further than Render Token. This special digital currency is shaking things up by using blockchain technology to improve GPU rendering. When you invest in Render Token, you become part of a decentralized platform that connects creative folks with the computer power they need to bring their ideas to life. To boost your chances of success, it's important to stay updated on Render Token's progress, partnerships, and advancements. Keep an eye on market trends, explore potential collaborations, and think about the long-term potential of this promising cryptocurrency. With dedication, knowledge, and a keen eye for opportunities is a step closer towards crypto millionaire status with Render Token by your side. So don't hesitate to embark on this exciting journey and embrace the amazing possibilities that await you in the world of cryptocurrency. And there you have it, Luxo lovers. We've reached the end of our exploration into the captivating world of cryptocurrency and the thrilling pursuit of becoming a crypto millionaire. Remember, the realm of digital currencies like Render Token holds incredible opportunities for those who dare to dream big and take action. So if you're ready to embark on this exhilarating journey, don't hesitate to delve deeper into the world of Render Token and the vast possibilities it presents. Keep an eye on market trends, stay informed, and embrace the power of innovation as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. Together, let's seize the moment, unlock the potential of Render Token, and pave our way towards a prosperous future. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure, and remember, the path to crypto riches awaits those who are bold enough to chase their dreams. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and until next time, happy investing!